Hi guys. Um, so a couple of days ago, I was helping a mate of mine with his Nissan Navara. The clutch pedal was going down. We assumed it was the slave cylinder, clutch slave. So here's a new one that he bought. But when he came through and we had a look, we actually realized that it was the hydraulic hose itself from the metal hard line that comes from the fluid reservoir to the slave itself. And as you can see out here, it's got a bit of a ridge, and that the fluid is actually coming out through here, and that's why the clutch is actually going down. I think original cable, not original, aftermarket cable is about $600 and not freely available. And on my previous video that I did, it was labeled unable to bleed the brakes on the Mk1. This is the cable I took out, or the pipe I took out from the brake, so the front brake from the hard line to the caliper itself. So strangely enough, when I took out the cable, I actually compared the two, and these two are actually nearly the same in length. As you can see, the top is the Golf, the bottom is the Navara. The outer diameters are different, but the inner diameters are exactly the same on both sides. Here I've got a bolt, but it's actually a rough thread, whereas this here is a fine thread. So as you can see, it goes in. That's the Golf. And here's a Navara. So guys, both of these hydraulic hoses, that's from a brake, that's from a clutch. They use dot for brake fluid. And yeah, this brake line brand new is about $200 from Goldberg, and I did put a description in the previous video. So guys, brand new $200 versus $600 aftermarket, not freely available. The only difference I can see on the inside here, you can see it's got a kind of a reducer compared to this, which doesn't. So I assume you'll put a bit more pressure on this, but I don't see a reason why this should not work here. So yeah, this is something I thought I might share with someone. Might help you guys. If you're stuck and you can't get on these pipes, try a Golf brake pipe, that might work for you. Hope this helps someone. Thanks guys, cheers, bye.